If I bring you guys more than one car, will I receive a discount for my service? It's questions that customers love to ask us mobile detailers. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Just with Detail Diamonds, back with another one. In this video today, let's discuss why as a mobile detailer you should not discount your rates. If you guys have not already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We typically post 3 to 4 times a week. Now let's get into it. Okay, not to make this video long, but let me give you guys some key reasons why you should not discount your rates. And the first reason that I have is we work hard, okay? We work hard, we take our time, we try to perfect our craft and make sure that each and every car that comes through is exceptional 100%. That is one reason right there why you should not discount your rates. We work hard each and every day, trying to do the best we can for these customers and these clients. So the clients that want to spend with you and know the value of the service that you are bringing, they will not ask you for this. Okay, so let's try to understand the customers that ask that first things first. Most of the time, I feel that customers ask for a discount is simply because we are coming to their house or job anyway, and I guess they see it as because there's more than one vehicle already there, it's more of a convenience for us to make more money and serve more vehicles because there's already one there. But what they fail to realize is that we take time to get each job done. And I don't know about you guys, but being a mobile detailer, I am very, very, very particular about my craft, very, very particular about the end result of the job. So that's one reason why we just shouldn't discount our rates. If you understand the value that you are bringing, along with the time that it takes to get to the job, the time it takes to prep for the job, the time it takes to break down the job after it's done, and the travel back time from that location, you will understand why your rates need to stay your rates, and discounting your rates is a poor business model. The cost of supplies. We pay for supplies, we have to pay for gas, we have to pay for our equipment, we have to pay for our chemicals. Those things cost money. So with that being said, discounting our rates does not help us in the long run. The customers that you want to attract are the customers that know the value that you are bringing to them and don't mind paying the rate that you request from them. Don't get me wrong, some customers mean no harm when they ask those questions, but one thing that I like to do when those questions come about is I'll always give them the alternative. I'll always throw our maintenance plan into the equation as well to let them know, hey, we don't give discounts, but we do offer a discounted service, and that would be our maintenance plan. If you guys have not already, please check out our maintenance plan video. I uploaded it, I say a couple days ago, but check that out if you want to get some more information on our maintenance plan. But you just want to figure out a way to reroute them when they ask those questions. Tell them, like I said, we don't discount, but we offer a service or a plan that you can get on if you are looking for a discount. Don't set yourself short when you're out here trying to be the best detailer you can be. If you guys have not already, I know someone will ask you that question. Someone will ask you in a message, in an inbox, they will say, what is the rate if I bring you more than one vehicle? And your answer to that question should be, the rate remains the same. We do offer a maintenance plan if you are interested in that, but each vehicle that we service has its particular quote and its particular rate, and we do not discount for multiple vehicles. We are all trying to be profitable, and this goes for family, this goes for friends, that goes for any special person in your life. If they want to see you succeed and they want to see your business grow, they will understand when you tell them that you cannot offer discounts for your services. Some people really look at car washing / detailing as anybody can do a job, but they don't understand that we really put time in to try to perfect our craft and add value to each and every customer. Do not discount your rates. Stand strong on your price list. If you guys have not already, check out our video where we discuss how to break down prices on detailing. Very informative, very informative. I don't want to make this a long video. I really just wanted to bring up that one point because I actually had a call today and a young lady asked me that exact question. So once again, discounts for multiple vehicles, you should not make that your business model. We want to keep on pushing value. We want to keep on pushing those clients that understand our value, and discounting for multiple vehicles is a no-go. I'm done. We're good. If you guys have found value, please tap the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We typically post 3 to 4 times a week. We appreciate you. We love you. Stay consistent, stay blessed, stay positive. One love.